Everybody, it's Ronnie with the George Group, right out of Alexandria, Louisiana. I'm with Keller Williams Realty. I'm making a quick video to talk to you today about the most popular types of financing that we come across here in central Louisiana. There's actually going to be three types of financing that we deal with a lot. One is going to be rural development. The main reason rural development is very popular around here is because, well, our city limits are very small, so we have a lot of property that are outside the city limits, so that qualifies for rural development. So basically, if you're familiar with the area, you have Ball, Tioga, anything north of Pineville is going to be all rural development, as well as a lot of Pineville qualifies for rural. Even some areas of Alexandria actually qualify for rural development. So if you're thinking about rural development, it's a great way to go, mainly because you get 100% type financing, so you actually don't have to put any money down. The only money that you'll actually have to deal with is any kind of closing costs. So depending on the type of the loan you actually come across, your actual expenses could be very minimal. So 100% financing when it comes to rural development loan. Now you do have income-based limitations, so you have to make below a certain amount and you have to make above a certain amount, as well as qualify based on your credit score. So give us a call, we'll be able to get you lined out and see if that's a good fit for you. So we have rural development as well as FHA. FHA is also a government-backed loan, which rural development is as well. So FHA is 3.5% down at this point in time. So simple math, $100,000 loan, you're going to have to put $3,500 down. So the good thing about FHA is you're not limited based on location. It's going to be inside city limits as well as outside city limits. Great for first-time home buyers because you really don't have to put much money down to actually qualify for a home. That's actually the FHA 3.5% down requirement, and then you're going to run across some closing costs. Now the good thing is closing costs are always negotiable, so we can always ask the seller to pay for some of those. It really just depends on the actual home. So the third most popular one is actually going to be a conventional loan. Now most conventional loans, some people are thinking maybe 20, 30, 40% down or something crazy like that. A lot of lenders have actually changed that to where you can actually only put 5% down, or you can put a little bit more, but they have a minimum requirement of about 5%. I've heard even some go a little bit lower than that, but I haven't come across them yet. So if you're watching this video, shoot me your info. I'd love to get in touch with you. So conventional loans are good because your actual origination fees and things like that are going to be a little bit lower because you don't have to deal with a government-backed loan. They're going to charge you basically like a premium for using the benefit of their services for a government-backed loan. So conventional loan is another route you have to go. Just as an added bonus too, sometimes we come across cash deals. Now the thing with the cash deal is something that you can have from a settlement, whether you're going through a divorce and you're going to have funds dispersed, or you actually plan on receiving funds or something like that in the future. Just because you have those funds, don't think that you're at a huge advantage. You want to make sure you have those funds available, because in the actual contract it stipulates that we have to have funds readily available. So that could actually hurt you in the long run if you put an offer on a house and let's say your settlement isn't going to come in for another 30, 45 days. Well, that actually puts you right back in line with everybody else. If you're going to do a cash offer, make sure you have funds available showing that you have them, as well as quick access to them. So those are just a few tips for you, and appreciate you watching, and everybody have a good day.